Hi everyone. Today I'll be talking about the ISTE Standards for students and how they can help teachers integrate technology meaningfully into their classrooms. The ISTE Standards are designed to make sure students develop the necessary skills to thrive in a digital learning environment and prepare for future careers in an increasingly technological world. The 7 ISTE standards for students are empowered learner, digital citizen, knowledge constructor, innovative designer, computational thinker, creative communicator, global collaborator. These 7 standards guide educators in implementing technology into their teaching methods. ISTE standards for students in meaningful tech integration. Teachers can use the ISTE standards for students to create engaging, interactive, and student-centered learning experiences. The Empowered Learner Standard encourages students to take an active role in their learning by setting goals and using technology to achieve them. This enables teachers to design personalized learning experiences where students leverage digital tools to track their progress and reflect on their learning process. The Empowered Learner Standard example would be have students set a goal to improve their writing skills over a semester. Using Google Docs, students draft essays, receive feedback through the comment feature, and revise their work based on suggestions. At the end of the semester, they reflect on their progress using a digital journal, identifying areas of growth and strategies that helped them improve. Knowledge Constructor Standard is teachers can integrate this by incorporating research projects where students analyze sources for credibility and relevance. A method of implementing these standards is through project-based learning, where students use technology to research, collaborate, and present their findings. For instance, students can use Canva or PowerPoint to visually communicate their research on a real-world issue, aligning with the Creative Communicator Standard. While all ISTE standards present unique challenges, I believe the Global Collaborator Standard is the most difficult for educators to implement effectively. This standard encourages students to use digital tools to collaborate with peers, experts, and communities, both locally and globally. The most challenging ISTE standard to implement, Global Collaborator Standard, is the logistical issues like time zone differences, language barriers, ensuring students have access to the necessary technology and internet connectivity, ensuring students have access to safe and monitored online platforms and communication, careful planning to adhere to digital citizenship guidelines. But despite these challenges, teachers can take small steps by incorporating collaborative projects using online tools such as Google Docs to connect with students in other locations. Shifting our focus to the future, we must consider which ISTE standards is the most crucial for preparing students for an evolving digital world. In my opinion, the Computational Thinker Standard is the most essential. This standard helps students develop problem-solving skills by leveraging technology, analyzing data, and formulating algorithmic solutions. For instance, students can use Scratch to create a coding project that solves math problems. Students can break down problems into smaller steps, apply logical thinking, and test their solutions in hands-on interactive ways. The digital landscape is rapidly evolving, with industries increasingly relying on automation, artificial intelligence, and data-driven decision-making. By teaching students to think computationally, we equip them with the skills necessary to navigate complex challenges, whether in STEM fields or other professions that require analytical thinking. To summarize, the ISTE standards provide a framework for meaningful technology integration, encouraging students to become active participants in their learning. The standards, such as Global Collaborator, can present implementation challenges, while the standard of Computational Thinker is the one I believe to be the most important for preparing our students for the future. As educators, our goal is to leverage these standards to create engaging, inclusive, and future ready learners and learning experiences. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing all your thoughts as well.